Hello children. Today we will do phonics and rhymes book. So take out your phonics and rhymes book. We will do the phonics and take out this page. Okay? Take out this page. The long O sound. So today we will learn long O sound words. Okay? Read the words. O-A. O-A sound. Long O sound. Okay? O-A. O. B sound. B. O-A sound. O. T sound. T. B. O. T. Boat. B-O-A-T. Boat. K. O. T. Coat. C-O-A-T. Coat. G-O-T. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. G-O-L. Goal. G-O-A-L. Goal. R-O-D. Road. R-O-A-D. Road. S-O-P. Soap. S-O-A-P. Soap. O-W. This is also long O sound. B-O-L. Bowl. B-O-W-L. Bowl. R-O. Row. R-O-W. Row. Cr. C-R sound. Cr. Cr-O. Crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. Sh-O. Show. S-H-O-W. Show. Snow. Snow. S-N-O-W. Snow. Slow. Slow. S-L-O-W. Slow. Okay. Look at the pictures. Complete the words. So, 2 pictures are given. This is fill in the blanks. Okay. C-R sound. Cr. Cr-O. Crow. So, you have to write O-W. O-W. Sounds O. C-R-O-W. Crow. Next we have O-A. O-A also sound O. S-O-P. Soap. S-O-A-P. Soap. So, this is phonics. Check out this page and try to read this page in your phonics and rhymes book. Okay? Thank you.